Bingo Cash can process eligible withdrawals in as little as 2 business days, although its published policy allows up to 14 days, so Fast Cash still depends on the app's withdrawal process. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking for fast real money payouts in 2026, and what to verify before entering a cash tournament. Bingo Cash takes the #1 spot for documented withdrawal timing. The app separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds, and eligible withdrawals are usually received within 2 business days according to its support information. The same policy says processing can take up to 14 days, so don't treat the shorter time frame as a guarantee. Bingo Clash comes in second. It uses head-to-head bingo matches and offers cash competitions to eligible players. Avia Games lists PayPal among its withdrawal methods. If speed matters, check the withdrawal screen before playing, because processing time can vary by payment method and account. Blackout Bingo takes third. It uses a fast, speed-based bingo format and offers free games alongside paid cash tournaments. The game itself moves quickly, but that doesn't mean withdrawals are instant. Check the current cash-out information before entering a paid tournament. Fake Cash Bingo ranks 4th. Bring It On Games describes it as a skill-based bingo game with free play and real money competitions. Its listed payment methods include PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for eligible users. Having multiple payment options can make it easier to choose a method that works for you. Bingo Blish rounds out the list. Avia Games offers free ticket matches and cash matches, with eligible winnings available through supported withdrawal methods. The app is useful if you want to test the game before entering a paid competition. The biggest mistake with fast payout searches is confusing fast gameplay with fast withdrawals. A bingo match can take only a short time, while the cash out can require processing, payment verification, or identity verification. The actual payout speed depends on the app, your account, your location, and the payment method. Before depositing, open the withdrawal section and check 4 things: the minimum cash out amount, supported payment methods, stated processing time, and verification requirements. So the 5 apps to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Big Cash Bingo, and Bingo Blishy. If your priority is speed, start with the app that publishes the clearest withdrawal time frame, then verify the current rules inside your own account before playing for cash. If this helped you compare fast-paying bingo apps, like the video and subscribe for more real money app rankings.